And now, me presents Photosynthesis and Cellular Respiration. Larger molecules are so much harder to keep in control. Simply put, you have to use more energy to keep them whole. Enzymes inside the grain are the things inside the chloroplastic CO2s and H2Os, 6 of each to be exact. Energetic chlorophylls break water, so NADPs take the hydrogens and go. That was photo. System 2 now number 1. Energetic chlorophyll makes ATPO2's released in ATP, and then ADPH is taken to the stroma, the liquid if you don't understand. But anyway, it's time to Calvin cycle. Let's take carbon dioxide, put the carbon side by side to make glucose and other compounds. So to recap, we got 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O. Lighten enzymes make it into 6 O2 and 1 glucose. Respiration's different. The photosynthesis product in the mitochondria make CO2s and H2Os. Respiration also puts out ATP. Every organism needs some energy. Glucose gets split into groups of carbons 3. Glycolysis happens in the cytoplasm. Citric acid or Krebs cycle happens in the mitochondrion. The fluid matrix carbon compounds join and break apart again several times, making CO2. It makes a little ATP and lots of NAD and FADH2. Those are the carriers of electrons. Now we move on to electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation. In the crystal, energy from hydrogen adds a phosphate. ADP's now ATP. ASAPScience enzyme is responsible. Water is now waste because of the hydrogens. But Kapa sino-hydroxygenol organism es aerobic fermentation. The two types are alcohol and lactic acid. This is an alternate route with alcoholic fermentation and aerobic respiration. Alcohol and far less ATP is created. Lactic acid fermentation, less ATP is created, so it puts out lactic acid. That is what makes all your muscles sore. I had to slow this part so that I could record. Fermentation is the making of a little ATP without oxygen around. That's how to do IOPC. Industries of alcohol use certain kinds of yeast to convert the fruit and sugars into alcohol with these. Lactic acid fermentation is what makes your muscles sting. All that lactate builds on up because you move more than you breathe. Matter and energy both flow. Matter's a lemniscate symbol. As for me, I think photosynthesis is chlorotastic.